How to use the emergency power port on your Alfred door locks. Here's a scenario. You come home, your door lock non-responsive, maybe you forgot to charge your batteries are dead. There is a solution here. On our DB2S model, it utilizes a USB-C power cable, just like you would use on any of your phones. And if you have a power pack, something similar to this, you can use this to power your door lock even if the battery is dead. What you do is take the USB-C cable, plug it into the bottom of your door lock, and wait for the screen to power on. This will now give you the option to put in your master PIN code or your user PIN code to unlock your door and gain access to your front door to go change your battery and replace them, so you no longer have to use the emergency power port. By the way, our DB1 series and our DB2 series utilizes a USB-A power port, where our DB2S and our ML2 series use USB-C for the emergency power port. For more information on these units, please head over to alfredlocks.com.